The Moto G64 5G smartphone, highlighting its affordability and feature-packed specifications. Briefly mention the significance of the device in the mid-range smartphone market. Describe the unboxing process, emphasizing the eco-friendly packaging and minimalist design. Detail the contents of the box, including the charger, USB-C cable, and any additional accessories. Highlight the attention to detail in the packaging and presentation of the device. Discuss the design aesthetics of the Moto G64 5G, focusing on its sleek appearance and ergonomic feel. Highlight the use of premium materials, such as metal and glass, in the construction of the device. Evaluate the build quality and durability of the smartphone, noting any notable features such as IP52 protection against splashes and dust. Display and multimedia experience. Analyze the display specifications, including the 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10 support, and their impact on the viewing experience. Discuss the color accuracy, brightness levels, and outdoor visibility of the display. Evaluate the multimedia capabilities of the device, including video playback, gaming performance, and audio quality from the stereo speakers. Camera performance. Explore the camera setup of the Moto G64 5G, highlighting its 50MP main sensor and additional camera features. Discuss the image quality in various lighting conditions, including daylight, low light, and indoor settings. Evaluate the performance of the camera software, including features such as AI enhancements and image stabilization. Performance and software. Assess the performance of the Moto G64 5G, focusing on its processing power, multitasking capabilities, and gaming performance. Discuss the software experience, including the user interface, pre-installed apps, and any additional features or customizations. Evaluate the overall responsiveness and smoothness of the device in day-to-day usage scenarios. Battery life and charging. Evaluate the battery life of the Moto G64 5G, including real-world usage scenarios and screen-on time. Discuss the charging capabilities of the device, including the included 33W charger and charging speeds. Provide tips for optimizing battery life and maximizing the usage time between charges. Connectivity and network performance. Discuss the 5G connectivity of the Moto G64 5G and its impact on download and upload speeds. Evaluate the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity options, including range and stability. Discuss any additional connectivity features, such as NFC, GPS, and dual SIM support. Summarize the key points discussed in the review, highlighting the strengths and weaknesses of the Moto G64 5G. Provide recommendations for potential buyers based on their priorities, such as camera performance, display quality, or overall value for money. Conclude with final thoughts on the device's position in the competitive mid-range smartphone market and its overall appeal to consumers.